Enabling the Super Night Vision is very simple and can be done through the mobile app for models with built-in Wi-Fi, or through the dash cam itself for models with the LCD screen. Wi-Fi models. To ensure Super Night Vision, first connect with the dashcam via Wi-Fi or hotspot. Once connected, go to the dashcam settings and select Record Settings. On this page, look for Super Night Vision. You will have the option to enable Super Night Vision for parking mode only, continuous mode only, or both continuous and parking mode. For the LCD models, to enable Super Night Vision, click on the Home icon. Then select Settings. Next, select Record Settings. In here, you will be able to enable or disable Super Night Vision. Note that for the F200 Pro and X700 models, the Super Night Vision feature is only available in parking mode.